This is what we're about to eat. It's not that much here. This is raw butter that I made. I'm not going to show you, like, it was in a big ball, but I don't have that up here with me. This is raw pork. And then there's some vegetables, cilantro, tomatoes. Yeah. So we're going to turn this around. It's just hard to get this at an angle. This should be good. I gotta do one thing. Oh, I'm going to show you that it's pork too. I have the package that it came out of. It's bottom of the barrel. See, it's the same thing. I brought that up just to show you. Now, something I want to say is, when you do eat meat, a lot of the problem is, throughout our whole childhood, is we're not eating enough fat. They're always trimming the fat off the meat. Hopefully I'm in there. So when you eat meat, try to add more butter or whatever fat that you can add. In the future, I'll have better camera angles Personally, this is like probably the worst pork you can buy. I would prefer to get the highest quality. It doesn't necessarily matter if you cook it. I know everyone's not going to eat it raw. It's more beneficial if you eat it raw. You won't get sick. It's the second biggest lie in the world. Same with pasteurized dairy, because they used to eat raw meat all around the world. And pasteurized dairy it comes in a raw form. And most of the stores sell it pasteurized because they know it's healthy when it's in its raw form. Nonetheless, if people are afraid of raw dairy, there's a reason why they pasteurize it. But if they're afraid, they could still sell all the dairy raw, and you could just cook it inside of your house. I have to film on my other side. I don't have to, but the camera is more clear. I mean, if you want me to flip it around, I've done videos of both. That's pretty much it. One of the best things is you won't notice this though, because if you ate cooked food all your life and you never just ate raw food, it can't be explained. So, but when you eat raw food, it feels like you ate nothing. And it also, like I said, gives you more energy. So, you wouldn't know what it feels like to eat raw food, especially meat, because it's completely different than cooked meat. If you really come to your senses and not in your head, if you go grab like a raw steak, a beef steak, you see it's very vibrant in the color, and just place a raw red steak next to on a plate, and then get a cooked steak and cook it whatever, and then place that next to the raw steak. You can actually feel which one has more energy. It's our natural state to feel. We've been indoctrined to think. It's bad to think. And you also just see the difference. One looks alive, and one looks rather dead. Hopefully the video came out right. Want to give a little chit-chat. Breaking down some things.